Hello and welcome back to Craft Catalog. Today we are diving into something that combines simplicity, elegance, and creativity all in one: minimalist wood decor ideas that instantly make any room look designer. If you have ever walked into a home that feels calm, warm, and stylish, and wondered how they achieve that effortless look, the secret might surprise you. It often comes down to how they use wood. Wood has a unique ability to transform any space. It adds warmth, texture, and depth, even when used in the simplest ways. And the best part? You do not need expensive furniture or a professional designer to make it happen. In this video, I'm going to share easy and affordable wood decor ideas that can make your home look like it came straight from a design magazine. So, stay tuned until the end because idea number 5 is one that most people overlook, yet it can completely change the mood of your entire room. Let us begin with the first idea. 1. Add wooden accent pieces. You do not need to fill your entire home with wood. In fact, minimalist design is about using less to create more. Try adding a few wooden accent pieces like small shelves, picture frames, or candle holders. These subtle touches bring natural texture into your space and make it feel grounded and balanced. Light wood tones like oak, birch, or maple work beautifully for a minimalist look. 2. Use natural finishes instead of paint. One of the biggest mistakes people make is covering wood completely with paint. Instead, try keeping the natural wood grain visible. A clear coat of varnish or oil enhances the texture and highlights the beauty of the material. This creates a warm, authentic feel that instantly adds sophistication to any room. If you prefer a modern aesthetic, choose woods with smooth, even grains and light finishes. 3. Create floating wooden shelves. Floating shelves are a designer favorite. They are sleek, practical, and make walls look clean and organized. You can use them to display books, plants, or art pieces. The trick is to avoid cluttering them. Leave some empty space to keep the minimalist vibe. Simple lines, neutral walls, and balanced spacing can make your shelves look elegant and intentional. 4. Mix wood with white or neutral tones. Minimalist design thrives on contrast. The warmth of wood pairs perfectly with cool tones like white, beige, and gray. If your room has white walls, try adding a wooden headboard, a coffee table, or wooden trim. This combination feels airy, natural, and high-end, even if your furniture is budget-friendly. 5. Add texture through wood panels or wall art. This idea is a hidden gem. Wooden wall panels or art pieces can completely transform the feel of a room. Even a small section, such as behind your sofa or bed, can create a stunning visual focal point. Choose designs with simple geometric lines or patterns. If you cannot install full panels, use wooden wall art pieces or even framed slices of reclaimed wood. 6. Choose simple wooden furniture. When selecting furniture, go for clean lines and timeless shapes. Avoid excessive ornamentation or heavy carvings. Minimalist wooden furniture focuses on form and function. A smooth wooden coffee table, a bench with tapered legs, or a slim console table can instantly make your space look designer-made. The secret is balance. Let the wood speak for itself without overcomplicating it. 7. Use contrast with dark and light woods. Mixing different tones of wood can create depth and visual interest. For example, pair light oak flooring with darker walnut furniture, or use a pale birch table with a rich mahogany accent piece. When done carefully, this layering effect makes a room feel sophisticated and intentional. 8. Decorate with small wooden accessories. You do not need large pieces to make a big impact. Small items like wooden trays, bowls, plant stands, or coasters can subtly tie your decor together. These little details show thoughtfulness and add warmth to every corner of your home. Even placing a few of these pieces on your coffee table or shelves can elevate the entire atmosphere. 9. Use reclaimed or recycled wood. Minimalist decor is not only about beauty but also about purpose. Reclaimed wood tells a story. It has character, texture, and history that new wood cannot replicate. You can find reclaimed wood at local lumberyards or craft stores and turn it into shelves, tables, or frames. This not only saves money but also adds an eco-friendly touch to your home. 10. Focus on balance and empty space. Remember, the key to minimalist wood decor is not about adding more, it is about removing what is unnecessary. Empty space allows the natural elements to shine. When you decorate, step back and see how each piece interacts with the room. If something feels crowded, simplify it. Minimalism celebrates calmness and clarity, and wood plays the perfect role in achieving that balance. Now let us talk about styling. To make your wood decor truly stand out, lighting plays a big part. Soft, warm light enhances the texture and tone of wood beautifully. You can use warm LED bulbs, table lamps, or even candlelight to highlight specific areas. Avoid harsh white light as it can make the space feel flat and cold. Another styling tip is to combine wood with natural materials like cotton, linen, or stone. These elements complement each other perfectly, creating harmony and comfort in your space. For example, a wooden coffee table with a woven basket or a linen throw can instantly create a cozy designer feel. If you love creating things yourself, Minimalist Wood Decor is the perfect starting point. You can make most of these pieces with simple tools and affordable materials. Even beginners can create stunning results with patience and creativity. Here's one final thought. Your home is a reflection of you. You do not need expensive furniture or big renovations to make it look elegant. All you need is a few thoughtful wood pieces, clean design, and a bit of imagination. When done right, simplicity will always stand out. So, if you are ready to transform your space into a stylish, relaxing, and inspiring home, start small, stay creative, and let wood bring its timeless charm to your decor. Thank you for watching Craft Catalog. Do not forget to subscribe for more creative woodworking, home decor, and DIY ideas every 2 days. Your next beautiful space could be just one craft away.